Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're not, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you guys, I look a little crusty, okay? To each his own, don't judge me. So today I'm going to be styling my hair with trying first impressions actually. The Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel, and this has aloe vera and macadamia oil. And it says a silky, soft, buttery gel with nourishing fruit botanicals crafted to provide moisture and light styling hold. This is extremely old. Like, let me put myself down because I look a little high. Okay, so this is an old product that has been around for many years. I just have never been able to find it in my Target store. So I had to travel. And I'm gonna open it. It comes with this little thing on there. It smells just like all the Camille Rose like butters, well, the ones that I've tried, which is the Curl Maker or the Curl Love Moisture Milk. It smells super good, like a cupcake. It says this is supposed to be a butter gel. Like, it feels like a moisturizer. It even feels like it's just the Curl Love milk poured into a container. To be wholly honest with you guys, I'm actually going to compare it real quick, so let me go and get it. Okay, so I went to get the Curl Love milk and I'm going to see. So that one is pretty creamy, smells good. So that's the Curl Love milk. I wish I can show you guys, but it being white and my camera being so bright and right in my face, it's very creamy, moisturizing. And then this Curl Love milk is in this container, and I think this actually feels a little lighter. So this is a little lighter, and this one is just a tad bit thicker, if you guys can see that. I have, for the first time, nothing in my hair, you guys. I'm so terrified for me having nothing in my hair, so I'm gonna go ahead and start applying this to my hair. I look crazy, so I'm just going to untwist my twist and then split my hair and go from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of it in my hair, about this much. It's very creamy, into my hair. Well, let's see if it provides a hold enough for it to be a butter gel. I should have read the directions, as I never do for any hair product, or for most hair products. So that's just one application. It actually looks quite lovely. I'm gonna apply about the same amount on the other side of the whipped butter gel, like so. I think I applied the same. That's the whipped butter gel. I think this is going to be a very fluffy wash and go if I were to just use it by itself. dry, and if I need to diffuse, I'll do all that and I'll come back.